Good morning, student. Let us see the next part of this chapter, that is 6.4 equation of plane. Before seeing the equation of plane, let us see what is meant by plane. A plane is a surface such that the line joining joining any two point to points on it lies entirely on it. Now, what is the meaning of this? This is a plane surface. Then take any two point A, B. Draw this line. Line AB entirely lie on this plane. That is the meaning. This is a plane P. Plane. Isn't it? Now, normal. What is meant by normal? A line perpendicular to a plane is called as normal to the plane. Now, suppose this is a plane. Then this is a line which is perpendicular to this plane. This is called as normal, n bar. And unit vector along the normal is n cap. This is a normal. Now, suppose we denote this plane as P, normal n bar. To the plane P. Isn't it? Call that normal to the plane P. Now, how we can find n cap? Here n cap is equal to n bar upon mod of n bar. By using this, we can find n cap, unit vector along the normal. N cap is nothing but unit vector along the normal n bar. Isn't it? Now let us see various equations of plane. Let us see one by one. Theorem number 1. equation of plane, the equation of the plane passing through the point A bar and perpendicular to the vector n bar is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. Let us prove this. Prove. This is our plane. Let P r bar be any point on the plane. N bar be normal to the plane. Plane is passing through point A, whose position vector is a bar. Therefore, AP bar is perpendicular to n bar. Therefore, AP bar dot n bar is equal to 0. Now, AP bar means r bar minus a bar dot n bar is equal to 0. We get r bar dot n bar minus a bar dot n bar is equal to 0. That is r bar dot n bar is equal to a bar dot n bar. This is the required equation of plane passing through the point A bar and perpendicular to the vector n bar. This is called as vector equation of plane passing through the point and perpendicular to the vector n bar. This is a vector equation. vector equation of the plane. Note down, this is vector equation of the plane. R bar dot n bar is equal to A bar dot n bar, isn't it? We know that vector equation of the plane is R bar dot n bar is equal to A bar dot n bar. Let A bar dot n bar is equal to D. Then we have R bar dot n bar is equal to D. Vector equation of the plane. This is also called vector equation of the plane, isn't it? In this way, we can write vector equation of plane in this form also. R bar dot n bar is equal to D, because A bar dot n bar we get the product as D. This is a number and this is a vector. Therefore, we can write the vector equation of plane as R bar dot n bar is equal to D, isn't it? Let us see second, Cartesian, Cartesian, Cartesian equation of the plane passing through a point A bar, and perpendicular to a vector n bar is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. Let us prove this. Prove. Let p x y z be any point on the plane and plane is passing through the point A bar. This is a point. This is any point P. N bar be normal to the plane. We know direction ratios of n bar are A, B, C. direction ratios of AP bar are x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Since AP bar is perpendicular to n bar, therefore A into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equal to 0. That we know. Therefore, here we have ax minus ax1 plus by minus by1 plus cz minus cz1 is equal to 0. That is ax plus by plus cz minus plus in bracket minus ax1 minus by1 minus cz1 is equal to 0. Therefore, ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0, where d is equal to minus ax1 minus by1 minus cz1. Thus, Cartesian equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d is equal to 0. This is the Cartesian equation of a plane, isn't it?